this assignment, you are going to place these values in order depending on how it specifies. So right here's your instructions. You're going to drag each value to the correct box. Pay attention to how you are being asked to order each set of numbers. Remember that ascending means you're going up a set of stairs, so you're starting small and getting bigger. Descending means you're going down a set of stairs. You're starting bigger and going smaller. So in this case, you're going from smallest to biggest. You're going to want to take each of these values and turn them into money, turn them into decimals. So put them in your calculator. That means you are going to put in 1/4 and figure out that is 0.25. You're going to do 1 divided by 4 in your calculator. This one is already in decimal form, 0.004. This one's 4%, so we know we move the decimal 2 places to the left. 1, 2. You're going to put a 0 in that extra bubble. So this one's going to be 0.04. 4 times 10 to the negative 1. That means you're moving that decimal 1 place in the direction of negative on our number line, which is to the left. So that means your decimal's right here. You're moving it 1 place to the left. So this value is 0.4. And then 4/9 you're going to put in your calculator. 4 divided by 9 to figure out what that decimal equivalent is. Once you have that figured out and you've written down each of those decimal values, you can drag and drop the values into the correct order. Now, I'm not sure that this is right. I'm just moving them to show you how they move. You're going to determine the order that they go in. I strongly suggest putting getting your journal out and working your math in the journal to make sure that you have these all solved correctly before you start arranging the numbers. You're going to click through each slide to solve each one and put them in order. Remember, if it's 10 to the first power, that exponent right there is how many places we move the decimal. If it's positive, it goes to the right. If it's negative, it goes to the left. And remember, if we have a whole number, we can automatically assume that that decimal is behind it right here. Let's see if there's anything else we need to talk about. Each slide is pretty similar. You'll have a couple of percents, a couple of fractions, and a couple of numbers written in scientific notation. Again, pay attention to whether it says ascending or descending. Remember, ascending starts small and gets big. Descending, the numbers are going to get big and go down. You need to pay attention to that. Once you're done, you're going to submit this and then click next to take a short quiz before going to the practice games. Remember, if you have any questions or if you're feeling stuck, you can send me a message in Canvas and let me know specifically what you're having a hard time with, whether it's percents or scientific notation. Do the best you can to complete it now. Don't give up and quit. Do the best you can. Make an educated guess if you're not sure. Do your best to show your work. You can use your notes. And then send me that message in Canvas and we'll review it before we take our test on Friday.